So we have created a file. Let us check if it is still exists or not. So I will open the file. Before that I need to import the import OS. Let us check whether this path exists or not. Here exist, yes. Then a dot txt sets to, so it exists. Now let us read the content. How can I read it, or how can I open the file? So I will take a F stands for folder or file object name. It's considered as a folder. In that F I need to open the file a dot. I need to give extension, it is compulsory. Then I want to do a read mode if the file is exist. So it has been saved. Now I want to read the content, so the contents will be saved in the identifier T. So T is equal to F dot read. So it has taken the contents. Now I want to see the contents, so print T. Yes, it's there. We have I wrote these things. So this is the way I can write and read the file. Suppose what will happen again if I do the writing work in the same. So again I will do the writing in that. So before writing, I need to change the mode. Then dot write. What I need to write? I need to write this thing. Okay. The size is 3. Now let us close that file at top. Close. It is an interactive mode. It will give you line by line comments. Now again we want to read that. So I'll open in a read mode. So here I will change this as read mode. Again same command I will run. I will make T as a identifier to save the content. Now I need to print the value. So it says nothing. So my old contents vanish, means my whatever I wrote before it vanishes. So to do this I have to use append. So let us see what will happen if I write append. To write again here I have to open the folder first, but here I need to do as append, A for append. So in append again I can write the file, but the writing will start from where I have left. So hi is there. After hi, how are you? So I have written this thing. Okay, then I need to check. So again I will open here while changing the mode or mode, and then I will read the text file. The same process here. Then I will print and display the part. As you can see here, it says hi, how are you, means it has saved the previous content as well as it has added the new one. So this is how we are doing through Python. We are opening a text file and we are saving the things. Now let us see that whether I can change its name or not. So to change its name, what command I need to do is rename. Let us search whether the rename part is there in OS, or so here it's a rename. I need to do rename. First I need to write the current file name. The current file name is whether a.txt, comma, old file name, new file name, txt. Let's see whether it's work with quotation. Whenever we are doing for files, we are writing in quotation always. Okay, fine. There is one more file is there. I will change the file as Amit1. Now whether it will work. So why I'm getting this error is I have not closed the file. So I need to close the file. Now let us check whether I can change or not. Yes, now I have changed. Now if I see whether A exists or not, to check whether A is exist or not, I will do path exist here. False. Now it is giving me false. Then what file's name it is? It is Amit1. So here I will check with this file name Amit1. So here it is saying true. Now again if I want to read it, what should I do? I have to follow these commands fr. Okay, file name doesn't exist. I have to change the name as well. Then I need to read that part. Then I need to print that part. So I have changed the file. Now suppose I want to delete it. How can I delete? Either I can delete or remove. So let's see whether what command is there with OS. All these process files are available with command file. So delete is there. No, I cannot see delete. So it may be remove. So let us see remove part. Or yes, I can see the remove. Now what I have to remove? This Amit1.txt. Okay. Once again we got to one process. What we forgot? We have opened that file but we have not closed it. So we need to close that. So f dot whatever files associated with f object, it will be closed. Now if I run the same command, yes, it works. So we lost the file. Let us check that or deleted or not. False. Now let us see through folder part. So now I have opened that folder where we have saved that. Here only Amit is there. No A, no Amit1. So we have deleted the file from Python itself. In Windows operating system, I am processing the file by using mouse, my computer, and so before Windows, we have, if you remember, we had DOS operating system, desktop operating system, where we are not using mouse or any other controls. So let us see how the same thing works in DOS. So here I have opened the same command prompt. This is nothing but DOS operating system. Here also we should know the commands which is used to do some general operating system task like opening, deleting, renaming. So here it is given as folder wise. First of all we have to enter the folder which they have given. Here I will check page wise. So in page wise, these are the files we can see here. Now I need to go to app data folder. So here I will write cd app data. I have entered here. Let's see what are the folders here. It's there local. I will go in local. In local I will see what are the files. These many files are there. We have to go in programs, cd programs. Again I will search. Yes, Python is there. I will just do Python. So we have entered. Let's see what are the files. We have one folder, that is Python 38/32 without space. We need to do cd. Now let us see. So these are the files which contain here. That the same procedure I done with the help of commands as we have done by using the folders. If you see the folder, the same we are doing with the help of mouse. So it seems to be very easy. But before, when we have ROS operating system, we used to do with commands. The same thing we have done with the help of Python. We have tried to create a file, we have tried to save it, and we can change the directory. We can make a directory also. Here how we are making a new folder, the same thing there also we can create a new folder as well, and everything we can save in that new folder. So let us see how we can do that. So I need to create a directory. So how can I create a directory? Whether I will check, is there anything to create a directory in OS? Directory is nothing but folder. So make yes, mk is a short form. So mk is there. I can create a directory. Now I need to create a directory for keeping all my files there. So the name of the directory, I can use that data files. Data files. Okay. It is we don't have to give any extension because it's a folder. So it has been created. Now let's see where it has been there. So here you can see that the data files folder has been created. It's an empty folder. Now we have to change our current directory to this directory. So let us do that. So to change, I have to see for the letters, change c, change chdir means I have to change the directory. So this will be the short form, and I have to change the directory as file directory name. I have to write. Let us see whether it's there or not. I need to write the, let us type the name. Data files. Okay, so it has changed to data files. Now let us see whether our directory has been formed or not. So we need to see the path, right? Let us check the path. So I need to get the path. I need to get the current directory path. So what I will do, I need to get, so get current working directory. So I need to get current working directory, and this thing should be saved somewhere, right? So I will share in a is equal to, it will save the location. Okay, so what I need to see a, what I need to do, print. So I will just write print a. So now you can see that this before it was Python 3032, now is data files. So now whatever files will create, either text file or binary file, it will be saved in data file. Let us see that how it works.